Now, we are going to do the same thing, but instead of having the B as the initial sound, it is now an L, which makes the sound, do you remember? L. Good job. So, L, 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 A, La, La. As you can see, these are two déterminants that we went over in section number 1. So already you know how to read le and la. L, I, L, I, li, li. L, O, L, O, low, low. L, U, L, U, lu, lu. Let's go top to bottom. Le, la, li, lo, lu. Okay? Le, la, li, lo, lu. Okay? Great. Some of these are actually frequent words such as le, na. Others are just sounds that you will see in words later on when we learn how to break them down into syllables. So I'd like to do this a couple more times with different words just so that you get a hang of it and used to practicing simple sounds.